Hello everyone. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix Nespresso Vertuo red light blinking twice, what it means and step-by-step fix guide. Step 1. Clean the barcode reader. Turn off the machine and unplug it from the power outlet. Open the machine head completely. Remove any capsule from the brewing chamber. Locate the transparent barcode scanning ring around the inside rim of the capsule holder. Use a soft, damp microfiber cloth to gently wipe the scanner ring. Remove any coffee grounds, oils, or residue from the area. Dry the scanner thoroughly with a clean cloth. Plug the machine back in and turn it on. Insert a capsule and try brewing again. Step 2. Check the water tank. If the water tank is empty, not seated properly, or has trapped air inside the connection point, the machine may refuse to brew and display warning lights. Remove the water tank from the machine, empty any remaining water and rinse the tank. Refill it with fresh, clean water. Inspect the valve and connection area for dirt or blockages. Place the tank back onto the machine firmly. Make sure it sits completely flat without any gaps. Turn the machine on and attempt to brew a coffee. A loose water tank connection can prevent proper water flow and trigger the blinking red light error. Step 3. Perform a power reset or hard reset. Turn the machine off, unplug the power cord from the outlet, wait for 30 to 60 seconds, plug the machine back in, turn the machine on and check if the error has cleared. Hard reset steps. If a normal power reset does not solve the issue, perform a factory reset, unplug the machine from power, press and hold the brew button. While holding the button, plug the machine back in. Continue holding the button until the indicator light turns white. Release the button and allow the machine to restart. Step 4. Run a cleaning cycle. If the machine begins brewing but stops suddenly while flashing red, there may be trapped air, coffee residue, or restricted water flow inside the system. Remove any capsule from the machine, empty the drip tray and use capsule container. Fill the water tank with fresh water. Place a large container under the coffee outlet. Close and lock the machine head. Press the brew button 3 times quickly within 2 seconds. The cleaning cycle will begin automatically. The light may blink white or orange while the machine flushes water through the internal system. Allow the cleaning cycle to finish completely without interruption. Once completed, test the machine by brewing a fresh capsule. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. And also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.